Are you looking for ways to improve your English language skills? Learning a new language can be challenging, but with consistent practice and dedication, it can become an enjoyable experience. Here are 5 daily habits you can incorporate into your routine to help you learn English faster. Listen to English every day, tune into English radio stations or watch English news channels, movies or TV shows. You can also listen to English podcasts or audiobooks during your commute, while cooking or doing household chores. Read English material, read English newspapers, blogs, articles or books daily. This will help you improve your vocabulary and grammar skills while also exposing you to different writing styles. Speak English. Practice speaking English with native speakers or friends who are also learning English. You can also practice by recording yourself and listening to the playback to identify areas you need to improve. Write in English. Keep a journal or write emails in English. This will help you improve your writing skills and also give you an opportunity to practice sentence structure, grammar and spelling. Use English language apps. There are numerous language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone that you can use to supplement your learning. These apps have interactive lessons, quizzes, and games that make learning English fun and engaging. Incorporating these daily habits into your routine will help you become more comfortable and confident in speaking English. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to learning a new language. Good luck on your language learning journey.